My name's Graham Johnson. I'm the machine shop manager here at Webtec Products Ltd. Webtec is a manufacturer of hydraulic valves and test equipment. We were formed in 1964. We have a head office here in St Ives, which is our main manufacturing facility. We also have offices in the US, in Hong Kong and in Germany. Over the last 2 years, the turning department has machined over 400,000 parts. The average batch size is between 50 and 350 pieces. Initially, when we were measuring tools, we were entering the data by hand. Our previous machines had two 12-position BMT turrets that were showing their age. This meant critical tools like taps and reamers were needing clocking up before we were using the inbuilt tool setter to set the offsets. The ZOLLER machine is helping to reduce the setup times on some of these setups. We decided to look at a quick change solution for tool change, and we chose the Sandvik Capto system. We were able to mount base units on the machine, which would allow us to have the right combination of tooling to be able to manufacture our complex and varied parts. We needed a solution for measuring the tools, and ZOLLER came and provided us with a C4, C3 capability that would allow us to measure prior to us running the machines. This allowed measuring of tools while the machines were running. We were able to use an app that ZOLLER perfected that allowed the turrets to be populated with this data. Being sent digitally eliminated any risk of data being input incorrectly, and we have 100% confidence that the data we are sending to the machine is correct.
One thing that we did notice a huge sort of impact with was our screw cutting tools. It helped us see any damage to the form, which you may not have been able to see or feel without the sort of in-depth look from ZOLLER. It allows us to make a better call on the condition of a tool before we load it into the machine.
We recently introduced Make It Blue, a 4-step process to help customers maximise the productivity of their hydraulic machinery, but without the complex cost of consultancy. Our customers' expectation of quality and short lead times are one of the driving forces for our whole project. The Smile 420 meets our requirements exactly. This has allowed us to reduce setup times on all jobs, some of them by up to 75%.
So on average, across an 8-hour shift, I probably do about 10 tool setups, and that would probably save me about near enough an hour compared to doing it the old way.
The organisation comes into it and everything, which just allows us to increase everything. Everything gets better, productivity, sort of setup time is improved. It's had an impact on multiple areas, including the milling section, which we use the TMS system for.
The process of measuring tooling offline was new to us, but ZOLLER took us through the process, providing us with excellent support and training to allow us to integrate this with our manufacturing process. That continues to today with the support that we have for our TMS system. When we've needed to contact ZOLLER for service or support, they've been first class, and they've provided us with all of the support and service that we need. Anyone thinking about investing in offline tool measuring, give ZOLLER a call. ZOLLER's definitely opened us up to looking at other possibilities in the future.